The roller girls at Pride Fest Kenosha 2023. Aren't they cute? Look at that. Dancing. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah.
Are you guys enjoying yourself? Incredible.
I'm going in circles. Oh!
So are the wheels.
You are my favorite. You are my favorite.
I'm gonna find the garbage can. It's over yonder.
And that's how we'll close out with the garbage can.
Yeah.
Where's my roller skates? I don't have any. I've got on regular shoes.
Take my nose, so
Love you, Tom.
Back at ya. And that's how we'll close the video.
We'll grab one more.
Any final word?
The final word is don't stop being queer. Just be gay. All queers are valid. And be an ally. Even if you're not gay and you don't want to be a guy, that's fine. Just be an ally and support that shit.
Ally here.
Yeah.
Staunch ally.
Well, you're gonna help me bring on the next entertainer.
Close up. Close up. Close up.
Is that the ally flag?
Yes.
Okay, I was wondering. I wasn't sure.
And a queer person.
Supportive as fuck.
Important. We need you
Where
in
did you
this
get that?
battle.
I think I got it.
Here?
Oh, I got it in a pack from Spencer's.
I'm
By
gonna
the name
find
of.
one like that. Supportive as fuck. Yeah, that's cool. I want that one. That's pretty neat. All right.
Give it up.